Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a crustless broccoli quiche with just these 5 ingredients, really easy to put together. And as always, I've written a full blog post which I'll leave down below, which you can click through to pin, bookmark and save for whenever you want to make this easy breakfast inspiration. And make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and leave a comment to let me know what you think of this video and what other breakfast inspiration you'd like me to share. So let's go through all of the ingredients we have today. I've got a big head of broccoli over here, the star of the show, and now I'm using a leek, but you could use onion or garlic, anything you like, but I love the flavor of broccoli and leek, keeping it simple. And I've got some cheese, which we're going to make this cheesy, but you can skip the cheese as well as the cream if you don't want it to be too much cream or too much cheese. You can do whatever you like. And then of course eggs to bind and bring it all together and make this lovely high protein meal. So first off, we're going to chop up our veggies and get them cooking in a frying pan to soften. So I've got butter melted in the frying pan. We've added in the chopped leek, and I've got the oven on to 180 degrees Celsius, which is 350 Fahrenheit. And next I'm going to chop up the broccoli. Broccoli is chopped into little flights. So I've added the broccoli into the frying pan along with a couple more knobs of butter. Going to mix it through, add a bit of salt, you can add pepper, any other seasoning you like to taste, and I'm just going to cook it until it's reduced down and ready to go into my quiche dish. I'm happy with the colour on the veggies, they're softened a bit. I'm going to move them into the quiche dish now. I've moved all the veggies into my quiche dish over here, and I'm going to whisk up eggs. Now you can use 4 to 6 eggs depending on the size of your veggies. I've got 4 eggs here, and I've got a 1/4 cup of cream. You can use 1/2 cup of cream and 6 eggs if you would prefer. So we're just going to whisk these through until they're smooth, just like that. And I want mine to be extra cheesy, so I'm going to add in 1/4 cup of cheese into my whisked eggs, and then top the quiche with a 1/4 cup too. So it's all whisked, and now I'll just pour it over my broccoli. There you go. It looks pretty good, but I want mine extra cheesy, so we're just going to top it with a final 1/4 cup of cheese. Just like that. Doesn't it look beautiful? Big crustless quiche, and my oven's just come up to temperature, so it's going to go in for 25 minutes, half an hour. Just keep a watch of it until it is golden and cheesy to your liking. It's out the oven. Look at the beautiful cheesy crusty top and all the broccoli peeping through. It is such a beautiful, delicious yum dish which serves the whole family for a wonderful breakfast, lunch, dinner, really any meal of the day. So I'll cut it into pieces, and now I'll pop it onto a plate. There you go. I've got a lovely piece of my crustless quiche on a plate, and I've got a whole dish full here. It is such a wonderful dish, such a wonderful way to enjoy broccoli, and a lovely meal to enjoy for breakfast, lunch or dinner. So that is the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and comment to let me know what you thought of this crustless quiche. And remember to check down below for the link to the blog post, which will have all the step-by-step instructions, everything you need to make this beautiful recipe. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye!